Hi, Mia.
Hi, Ravi. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine too. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Oh, I'm going there too.
Really? That's great. Let's go together.
Yes, let's go.
Look, the sky is so blue today.
Yes, and the sun is bright.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love them. Do you?
Sometimes. I also like rainy days.
Rainy days are fun too. We can play in puddles.
Haha, yes. And make paper boats.
Do you come to this park every day?
Not every day. Only on weekends.
I come here after school sometimes.
What do you like to do here?
I like to play on the swings.
Me too. I like the slide also.
The slide is fun, but a little scary.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Look, there's the ice cream man.
Yay, let's get some ice cream.
Which flavor do you like?
Chocolate. What about you?
I like strawberry.
Okay, let's buy one each.
Good idea.
This ice cream is so tasty.
Yes, it's cold and sweet.
Be careful, it might melt.
Oh no, it's dripping. Ha ha.
Quick, lick it before it falls.
I did. That was close.
Do you have any pets, Mia?
Yes, I have a small cat.
Wow, what's its name?
Her name is Bella.
Cute name. I have a dog.
Really? What's his name?
His name is Max.
Do Bella and Max play together?
Not yet, but maybe one day.
What games do you like to play?
I like football.
I like skipping rope.
It's getting late now.
Yes, I think we should go home.
Okay, let's come again tomorrow.
Sure, same time.
Yes, same time.
Bye, Ravi.
Bye, Mia. See you tomorrow.